Hi friends, welcome to GSK Smart World. Electronics Corporation of India Limited ECL is released a notification for 350 vacancies for the post of technical officer, and these jobs are purely on contract basis, so these jobs are not permanent jobs friends. So this is the official notification. I have provided this link in my video description, you can go through it. I think this is very good opportunity in this critical COVID-19 situation, so are looking for the job. And some people wants to work in the industries for the experience, and this notification and this job is very good for those people also. Yeah, okay friends, we will see the more details in this notification. So if you see the birth date here, we should have been born after these dates, like we should have been born this, so after 1990 July 31st. So remember this date. And if you see the pay scale here, the per month the pay scale will be 23,000, and also we'll get some other benefits like TA and DA allowances also. And if you see the contract period here, the tenure of the contract would be for 9 months. However, it may be extendable depending upon organizational requirements as well as performance of the candidate. So that means the contract period would be for 9 months, and also they may increase the contract period in the future. It depends on the future requirements. And if you are performing well, they will make your job as a permanent job also. You see the essential qualification here. So BTech is fine friends, a first class engineering degree. So in ECE, Triple E, CSE, IT, so anything is mechanical engineering, computer science, anything is fine friends. And we should have a 60% aggregate marks in our BTech. And also they mentioned experience also friend. The candidate should have a minimum 1 year post qualification industrial experience. So we should have a 1 year industrial experience friends. And in that 1 year experience, so we should have a minimum 3 months experience in sealing, distribution, polling, commissioning, repair and maintenance of EVMs. So VVPATs including FLC in this department, so we should have a 3 months experience. So in that 1 year. If you see the method of selection here, we don't have any written exam or interview friends. They will select you based on the merit marks which you got in your provisional memo in your BTech. After that, like they will do some document verification, and we can directly join. And also in this 350 vacancies, if we observe the category wise, 160 posts for reserved for UR categories, and 16 posts for EWS categories, and 19 posts for OBC categories, 58 posts for SC categories, and 26 posts for ST categories. So these are the vacancies friends, so category wise. And if we check the reservation and relaxation, so reservation and relaxation as per the government policies, and also 4% vacancies are reserved for PWD category. If you see the vacancies in location wise, so in Hyderabad we have a total 200 vacancies. So we can see the vacancies by category wise also here. Now UR category is 91, EWS 90, so you can check like that. And for New Delhi we have a total 40 vacancies. In Bangalore total we have a 50 vacancies, and in Mumbai we have a total 40 vacancies. In Kolkata we have a total 20 vacancies. Total vacancies is 350 vacancies. And if you see the important instructions here, the selected candidate should join within 7 days friends, and also we need to have a police verification certificates, so it is necessary. So on the joining date we need to submit this police verification certificate. Also the selected candidates will rotate from one state to another state friends, like those who are really interested to like travel from one state to another state, they can only apply for this job. We have some general instructions, like we need to read this official notification compulsory, and also we need to submit the CGPA certificate friends. And also for the PWD categories it should be 40% and above. And also we need to apply for this job in online, so I have provided the official website link in my video description. You can go through it and you can apply it. Only online registration application will be accepted. And the candidates who are worked in ECL so before, so on the basis of contracts, they need to submit their code, so while submitting the form. So eligible candidates needs to apply from this website www.ecl.co.in. So this application will start from 19/8/2020 to 30/8/2020 friends. So apply as soon as possible whoever wants to apply for this job. Once you apply for this job, we'll get a like online application number, and also you will get some online application PDF. So you need to save those PDF and application number. If you see the document verification dates, so date and time will be hosted on ECL website as and when decided. Like currently they didn't decide any date for the document verification. So in the future they will mention the date in the official website. So this is about the notification guys. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. And if you like this video, please like it and do share and subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.